Okay, so I'm fucking sick of my Pantry and today is the day that we're gonna fix it. I'm so excited. I got this acrylic container the other day and these look so much better already, so I've decided I'm gonna get some more and tackle the top bit because that looks very bad. Okay, I'm having a bite and then we're off the road.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind, and she doesn't know that.
So I just got home and I quickly wanted to show you guys what I got before we jump into the organization part of this video. So I went to Muji, I believe that's how you call it, to get more of the little acrylic bin that I show you guys, and ended up getting 4 different sizes and I got 2 of each. So I got this super tall one, then I got these other ones, and then I also got 2 of these little guys and 2 of these ones. So I think I got plenty. They were having a 10% discount on everything, so I ended up spending £25 and 12 cents. And then last time I went, I believe I ended up paying around 15. So that is about £40, I believe, for my final project. I know that these containers can be very expensive, so I think £40 is not too bad. And then while I was walking around, I also ended up in Tiger and I picked up these 2 little guys. I want this to be my utensil holder. We'll see how that ends up being. I'll probably show you guys in the video, but I've been trying to put this flat together for the last couple of months, I would say, and I feel like we're going somewhere, so I got my hopes up for this, guys. Okay, now let's organize my pantry, shall we? Okay, so welcome to my kitchen yet again. As we established, we're gonna tackle the pantry today, and when I say pantry, I mean this little guy over here. So let me just show you. The bottom bit looks kind of good, but I feel like there's still a bit that we can do to make it, like, you know, extra organized. But the top 2 shelves are for sure the ones that we need to focus our attention on and organize, because not gonna lie, they've been driving me crazy. I think the first step is to take everything outside and then work with a clean canvas, I guess. I'm about to make a mess, I feel like, because there's gonna be clutter everywhere, but like they say, it will get worse before it gets better, so I'm trusting the process here. Okay. I also got a lot of candy floss for some reason. I mean, blaming my boyfriend for that because he got it from work, but like, it's so much. Okay, I might need to get a little stool because I can't really get anything else out. There's no organization, it's so hard to get stuff out, and this thing, it's so ugly, so can't wait to get rid of this one. I think I could keep these out. So my counter is very messy. I still got quite a few things to take off the top shelf, but I think I might start with the middle one and then work my way up because this looks like a lot already. Okay, I think these tall ones could be good for the pasta. Do they fit? Oh yeah, that fits perfectly. So like pasta and biscuits maybe?
What I can't let go.
Not gonna lie, I feel like I'm playing Tetris.
Always think about it, but sometimes I do. Sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue.
Ah, it's not too bad. I feel like I should have gotten 2 more of these. I got this from Lidl and I kid you not, they're so good. I've been playing around for a bit now and I think I finally found the solution. I'm gonna put the open pasta in the container and then the pasta that's unopened is gonna go in the back. And I think that kind of makes sense because you can pull out the container with the open pasta and then if you want to open new pasta, it's just in the back and you can see it. I think that makes a lot of sense. Yeah, that is so much better.
I'm going in first, all of the turns that I had to unlearn. Back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do.
I kind of wish these were all the same size, but it's too late now.
I do.
Okay, so I think I figured it out. So this guy has all my boyfriend food stuff, things that I'm not interested in whatsoever. So we have some sweets, pistachio, which I absolutely hate, stuck in two being one on top of each other. And this is what the bottom one looks like. Again, it's more of his stuff. Then I got these two ones over here. They're pretty much good to go. I mean, this one has a bit of everything, not gonna lie. But the second guy has mainly sweet stuff. And on the bottom, there are some teas and like instant coffees. And this is looking what I'm left with. So I'm probably gonna put these in the very back. Oh, except for my bagel, of course. We all know this needs to stay front row. Told you guys that I wanted to tackle my utensil holder as well. I mean, this is gonna be so much nicer. So I thought I could put the small utensils and the ones that I don't reach for a lot in this one. And then the rest will go into this little guy. I mean, that's actually pretty good. I'm quite obsessed. So I'm gonna quickly tidy up this side of the kitchen off camera and find a spot for these two little guys on the shelf. And then I'll show you guys the final result. Always think about you. Sometimes I drive through all of. So it's the following day, the sun is shining through the windows and I'm about to show you guys my final result. I spent last night cleaning and organizing my kitchen and I'm quite stoked on how it looks like. I mean, are you ready for it? I kid you not, it looks so good. I'm super obsessed, but let me walk you guys through all the different bits. So the bottom shelf looks kind of similar to how it looked yesterday, as this was the part that I already sort of organized, and it's definitely the part that got me going with the whole organization. But yeah, it looks kind of similar. So I got my spices and then I got some stock on the bottom drawer. Here I got some sweet stuff, so lettuce, marshmallow fluff, and some Nutella, different types of spreads, and then I got some more sweets in the container that's down here. And then in here I got all my Chinese / Japanese type of stuff. So we got some sushi rice, you see sriracha, and then at the very back I got some flour, breadcrumbs, more rice, all that kind of stuff. I think it looks pretty good. Then moving on the middle shelf, I got my bagel right here, super easy to grab. Me and my boyfriend had one each this morning and that's why now there's only 3 of them, but yeah. Got my bagels in here, then we got biscuits, crisp, and then I got some open pasta. All the unopened pasta, it's in the back, as well as some extra biscuits and crisp as well. And then if we move on the very top shelf, at the very back, there are a bunch of stuff that I don't necessarily reach forward to. And then the first little bin is all my stuff. Then the one next to it is all my boyfriend's stuff. And then the third one is organize all the extra sauces we got, and then put my milk at the top as well. I mean, it does look pretty organized. I don't know if you guys remember how it looked at the very beginning. The before after, it's crazy. This cabinet right here has quite a lot of our alcohol supplies, and then I also got some more oils and sauces at the top. The little pink box that you see is all the extra stuff, so things we got a double on, things that I just stock up on, they're all there so that they don't take a lot of place. But yeah, this is my pantry makeover. Let me show you guys real quick the other little things that I added to the kitchen, and then we can wrap this video.
Streets we used to on First Avenue. Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn. Back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were.
Here's my babies. I absolutely love my kettle and my toaster. I mean, the color is just stunning. I got some cutty board on this side, my tea and my sugar, my little mug is here. And on this side we got my lemon juice, pepper and salt. And then I also got this little thing here to hide all the mess. I'm gonna quickly show you guys this side as well, although that's not the focus of this video. But yeah, we got dishes in the bottom drawer, glasses on the middle one, and then some extra trays on the top. So that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, of course, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell me in the comments below what video would you like to see next, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. That does help me out a lot. I heard that some of you guys would like to see a flat tour, and I'm definitely working on it. I feel like now the kitchen is like 99% done, so we are getting very close and I'm super excited. I got one last bit that I want to add in this kitchen, and I've actually ordered it the other day. It's a little dish rack to dry the dishes, because this little guy over here is quite ugly and I can't wait to replace it. So yeah, that should be arriving shortly. Definitely look forward to the flat tour, and with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Bye! I mean, when I tell you guys now I'm obsessed with my kitchen, I'm obsessed.